Stop scrolling. These crispy dragon mushrooms bites are spicy, saucy, and absolutely irresistible. First, wash the button mushrooms well and pat them completely dry. Now add maida, cornflour, salt, pepper, and red chilli powder to a bowl. Pour in water and whisk everything into a smooth, thick batter. Dip each mushrooms into the batter until it's fully coated. Carefully drop the mushrooms into hot oil and fry until golden and crispy. Take them out and let the extra oil drain off. In another pan, heat a little oil and saute garlic, onion, and capsicum. Add ketchup, chili sauce, and soya sauce to make a glossy dragon sauce. Toast the crispy mushroom in the sauce until every bite is beautifully coated. Plate the dragon mushroom bites and top them with cooked onions, capsicum, spring onions, and sesame seeds. And that's it. Crispy, spicy, and saucy dragon mushrooms is ready to enjoy.